Best anti-snore pillow, anyone? Using pillows to get rid of snoring is not a new thought to everyone, but if it's new to you, there's an easy way to find out all about it and learn about the best anti-snore pillow on my site. I just wrote a new post on the topic because I've gotten a lot of questions about how effective they are and which one I recommend. You have to visit the site to see which one I think is best, okay? Just click the link below to go right there. Also, for other health-related information, be sure and check out the rest of the site. I have all kinds of information about health news. There's health articles on everything from, how to take care of your hair and your skin, all the way down to all kinds of stuff that you may be interested in. Snoring in particular, getting rest, sleep apnea. There's all kinds of information that you can grab while you're there. Be sure and check it out. Also, visit us on Facebook, Twitter, and Google Plus, and obviously on YouTube. Since you saw this video, we're on YouTube. We've got a lot to offer and a lot of information. My name is Carrie Poole, and I really appreciate the opportunity to meet you if this is your first time meeting me. So you guys take care. Bye.